What's up guys, in this tutorial I will show you how to fix the Windows 11 update error you are getting when trying to update your Windows 11 version. This should be quite an easy tutorial. For more information, click on the first link in the description below. First of all, you should unplug any non-essential hardware devices from your PC. This could be your headphones, scanners, speakers, or USB flash drives. In case you're using a laptop and it's plugged into a docking station, then undock it. Next, try to update your Windows version again. Search for Update in your Start menu search to open up your Check for Updates System Settings window. Here, click on Check for Updates, Download or Install Now. If there is an update available to you, then make sure to download it and restart your PC when the download is complete. When you're still getting an update error, then make sure to uninstall any non-Microsoft antivirus software. Use Windows Defender to protect your device during the upgrade. Non-Microsoft antivirus software can sometimes cause upgrade problems. As long as you have installation media and all required activation information, you can always reinstall the software after you upgrade. To remove an antivirus application, search for the control panel to open it up. From here, make sure to view by category and, under Programs, select Uninstall a program. Here, search for the antivirus application. Right-click the app and select Uninstall. You should also uninstall non-essential software from your PC. Outdated software can cause problems with a Windows update. Removing old or non-essential applications can help with the Windows 11 update error you are getting. If you plan to reinstall the application later, make sure that you have the installation media and all required activation information before removing it. In order to update Windows 11 or upgrade to Windows 11, you need enough space on your hard drive for the installation to take place. To view how much hard drive space is available on your PC, search for Storage in your Start menu search to open up your Storage System Settings window. Here, you can see how much space is used and available on your hard drive, as well as how much space is being used by other applications. Under Storage Management, you can also use the Clean Up recommendations, which will delete some unused files in your recycle bin, unused downloaded files, or old Windows versions which are no longer needed. Lastly, search for Troubleshoot in your Start menu search to open up your Troubleshoot System Settings window. Here, click on Other Troubleshooters. Select to run the Windows Update Troubleshoot, which will take a minute to fix any common Windows Update issues your PC might have to prevent the Windows 11 update error you are getting. You should note that you need administrator permissions on your device to allow Windows updates. In case you have any further issues or problems following this tutorial, then I suggest following my extensive guide linked in the description below. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions, and see you in the next one.